Hello, go Big Reds. This is Mr. Fishel back again. My microphone is now working. So we're going to record today Unit 2, Learning Target 3, video number 2. And our success criteria is to be able to take point x comma y and rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, 180 degrees counterclockwise, and 270 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. So that's what we're going to be able to do. Tomorrow will be your first, or actually your first quiz over Unit 2. So, first of all, I'm going to make a coordinate plane. All right, awesome. Now I'm going to make a few points here, just connect them together. All right, here's how I'm going to connect them. All right, I'm going to label them. Sorry, I've got a little cold still. A, B, C, D, E, and F. And we're going to need the coordinates of those points. So first thing I'd like you to do is to list them along the side here. A, B, C, D, E, F. We'll write the coordinates. Coordinates of A are 1, 2, 3, up 1, or up 2. So it's 3, 2. Coordinates of B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Coordinates of C are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Coordinates of D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 5. Coordinates of E are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. Coordinates of F are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, now what we're going to do next is we're going to apply the rules of transformations. We're going to rotate them again, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. So first of all, I'm going to zoom up on this so you can see it just a little bit better right here, okay? First of all, I'm going to change them to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So the rule for that is xy goes to negative yx. So that means we're going to switch around the points, and the first one's going to become the opposite side. So 3, 2 is going to become negative 2, 3. 3, 5, switch them around. It's going to become negative 3, 5. Switch these around, it becomes negative 6, 5. Switch these around, it becomes negative 5, 9. Switch these around, it becomes negative 4, 6. Switch these around, it becomes negative 1, 8. So I'm going to graph all these new points over on this side. Okay, negative 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to label this A prime. And negative 3, 5. It's going to be B prime. C prime is negative 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C prime. Right, then we have D prime, which would be negative 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. E prime would be negative 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And f prime would be negative 1, 8. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to connect those again. I'm not using a ruler. I'm just trying to save a little bit of time. Okay, you can see figure's been turned 90 degrees counterclockwise, right? Okay, now to make all these points rotate 180 degrees, I'm going to take all these points right here and I'm going to highlight them so you can see them even better. These are the points we're going to be doing this with. Okay. Now the rule to rotate 180 degrees is rotate 180 degrees. It's going to be xy goes to negative x, negative y. Okay. So we're going to take all these points. Now we're going to keep them in the same position. We're just going to make them the opposite sign. So they become negative 3, negative 2, negative 5, negative 3, negative 5, negative 6, negative 9, negative 5, negative 6, negative 4, and negative 8, negative 1. All right, so I'm going to graph those points. Negative 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2. A prime. I'm going to call these A prime as well because they're only one transformation from here to here. Negative 5, 3. 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. B prime. And negative 5, negative 6. Okay, this is C prime. Negative 9, negative 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's D prime. And negative 6, negative 4. That's E prime. Negative 8, negative 1. And that's F prime. Connect those together. Oops. Whoops. Made a little mistake there. Sorry about that. This shouldn't be connected. Oh, let's see. Oops. Oh no, I made a mistake. I think I did. See, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and F to A. Oops. Oh boy, drew in a couple bad lines there. Sorry about that. So anyway, you ignore those two lines right here. This is a 180-degree rotation from here to here. Okay, last but not least, we're going to rotate 270 degrees. So we take our original points. Hold on. Had a little bit of a cold here still. So take my original points up here, and to rotate 270 degrees counterclockwise, xy goes to y negative x, which means I flip the points and make the second one the opposite sign. So I look up here, 3, 2. When I flip those around, comes 2, 3, and the second one becomes the opposite, so it becomes 2, negative 3. Let's flip these around, becomes 3, negative 5, 6, negative 5, 5, negative 9, 4, negative 6, and 1, negative 8. Oh, sorry, I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see that. Okay, now I'm going to graph those points. So A is going to be 2, negative 3, A prime, and 3, negative 5, then 6, negative 5, and 5, negative 9, then 4, negative 6, and then 1, negative 8, okay, now I'm going to connect them the way I did up here. Make sure I don't mess this one up. Sorry about that last one. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and F to A. Okay, so what I've just done is I've taken this and now I've rotated it 270 degrees, and these are my new points. So again, the rules you need to remember, be able to use them, are this one right here. 270 degrees counterclockwise, x, y goes to y negative x. You need to know this one, when I rotate it 180 degrees, x, y goes to negative x, negative y. And that just means the opposite. If it was already a negative, it changed to a positive, right? And then the 90-degree counterclockwise rotation, xy goes to negative yx. Okay? So that's how you rotate using those rules. All right. Have a great day and go Big Reds.